Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your XDC tokens from Robinhood to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between platforms can unlock more opportunities, like decentralized trading or staking. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Robinhood account with XDC tokens in it, and a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser or mobile app. If you don't have MetaMask yet, download it from the official website and create a new wallet. It's free and easy. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and add the XDC network. Go to the network settings, click Add Network, and enter the details for XDC. The network name is ShinFin Network, with the RPC URL something like https://rpc.zinfin.network. Double check this on the official ShinFin site to ensure you're using the latest info for 2025. Once added, create or import a wallet address where you'll receive your XDC. Next, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your XDC holdings and look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. Enter the wallet address from MetaMask as the destination. Robinhood might ask for confirmation, so verify everything carefully to avoid any mistakes. Before you hit confirm, keep in mind a few tips. There could be network fees, so check your balance to cover them. Also, transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Always double-check the address to prevent losing your funds. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once the transfer is initiated, you can track it on a blockchain explorer like XDC Explorer. When it shows up in your MetaMask wallet, you're all set. Congrats, you've successfully moved your XDC. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.